Hey guys, what's up? So today we're showing the top best strategies for iOS 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first tweak is called Power App, Reboot, Shutdown, Respring, Go into Safe Mode. So this is the one tweak that does all that. So Respring Mode, Kill All, Esprit Load, LD Restart. You have the button, border thickness, none, thin, thick. Quick action reboot mode. You have full and soft, and your theme light, dark, or auto. So like I said, these are the main features: reboot, shutdown, soft reboot, respring, kill all, safe mode, non-substrate mode, refresh cache, or as a power app. So yeah, pretty cool. And this supports iOS 8 through iOS 15 and up. This is called vNode Bypass. It's an experimental tool to hide your jailbreak detection. So it supports iOS 12 to 14. For Unc0ver of iOS 14, it's necessary to install version 6.1.0 or higher and libkrw 1.1.0 or higher. If you're jailbreaking with please install libkrw. So like I said, this is an experimental tool to hide your jailbreak files for bypass detection. Tells you guys how to use it pretty much. So yeah, this hopefully allows you to play Pokemon Go and etc. So this is probably like the most advanced, I would say, and highest rate of working jailbreak detection bypass. So if you have a game that's crashing or not working properly because you're jailbroken, this will actually disable all tweets, so you can't really use any tweet with the app or game, but it should allow you to play it. This tweak is called What'sy for WhatsApp, the all-in-one tweak for WhatsApp Messenger. So it supports iOS 9 to 14, your privacy features, protection features, status, chats, chat list, general, media, user interface, notifications, theme, messenger schedule, auto reply, hide chats, contact spoofing, custom tones, stickers manager. See a bunch of features with WhatsApp. For WhatsApp, I mean. This tweak is called Power Cuff. Supposed to access the hidden power throttle mode for battery life. This tweak is called Power Cuts, a library to supercharge shortcuts. So it allows tweets to provide actions to shortcuts. This tweak is called APT and Command Line Package Manager. It provides command line tools for searching from Debian. This is called YouTube Essentials, also YouTube Extra, is YouTube Reporn version 3. Modify some of its coded and add background images to look better because it was born. So that's them great guys. He actually might release that. It will be YouTube Extra, but this week YouTube Essentials. Next week is called vNode Bypass theme. It's an icon theme for vNode Bypass. Next week is called UPIP and enables the native picture-in-picture for the YouTube app. This is called Big YT Mini Player. Makes the mini player inside the YouTube app bigger on iPhones. This is called iSponsor Block. Automatically skip annoying sponsorships and YouTube videos. This is called UNumber Caption and makes you to number your video caption setting. This is called YT Classic Video Quality. Or next week called YT Copy Description. I'll do copy description on YouTube. And this only works for actually older versions of YouTube. It hasn't been updated since 2018. This is called YT System Appearance. This is called YT Auto Follow Lock Screen and make your video full screen on plane. This is called Respring Helper, and this week supports iOS 8 to 14. It's a convenient tool which helps you respring springboard on the jailbroken iPhone. Also reload app icons if the app is missing. So if you guys download a tweak, the tweak will actually if it's supposed to be an app, it might not show up on your home screen. This also fixes that issue. Which tested on iOS 8 to 13.5, but should support iOS 8 to 14. This is called What to Sue Tools, library for What to Sue and WhatsApp tweets. This is called Recents and quickly access your recent apps. This is called Pocket Translator, a super lightweight translating tweak. So as a control center module with the control center, which then tapped presents a translator of your choice, for example Google, DeepL, etc. This tweak is called Weather LS, which stands for Weather Lock Screen. It shows the weather on the lock screen. So for this, you need to have iOS 14 or 15 to install this week. She's called Route or Route, however you guys want to say it. Configurator, customize the audio routes on a per app basis. So pretty cool. And you guys would also need iOS 14 to 15 to install this. So just for example, if you want to listen to one app with headphones and another app with device speakers, this tweak allows you to do that. So pretty dope. She's called RAM Under Time, shows the amount of free RAM in the status bar. Which is called KB Pro, select, copy, and paste.